Hi there, today I want to show you how to connect a sales channel to Muglaunch. This is a required step before you can make any sales and upload any of those products. So you have three options: connect to Amazon, connect to Etsy store, or connect to Shopify. Today I want to show you how to connect your Shopify store. If you open it up, you will see there are some instructions below. We have an official Muglaunch app published in the Shopify App Store, so the only thing you have to do is click on Install Shopify app. Once you're at the Shopify App Store, you can see here that we have an official app. It's free to use, no extra cost. You can open it up here. Then you'll be redirected to select a store of your like. Next, you will be redirected back to Muglaunch. This is also a required step. What you then have to do is to sign in with your credentials. Then you can see the setup is complete and your sales channels are connected. That's it.